Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Anna and today I bring you an exciting episode of Get Ready With Me. As you all know, it's Navratri time and who doesn't love festivals, right? Therefore, you can see I have no makeup on because I'm going to tell you how to get ready for Navratri using all Drugstore brand. So, enough of talking, let's start. Elf primer. I'm using Lakme 95 Primer Matte Liquid Concealer. So I always start with my eyeshadow first. This is Revolution X Lion King palette. I'm using this for the bright shimmer look. Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. Okay, mascara time. I'm using Essence Lash Princess. I'm using Miss Claire Eyelash Glue. My Glam Eyeliner Pencil in shade Mood. For color correction, I'm using Insight's Concealer Palette. I'm using two foundations today. One is Lakme 95. The other one is from Insight. I'm using two foundations because I need my perfect shade. One is a little darker for me and this one is too light. Mini Bronzer Palette by Sugar. Makeup Revolution Blush. Okay, let's move on to the lips. I'm using lip liner first. My Glam's Matte Liquid Lipstick. Mini Highlighter Palette by Sugar. I love this highlighter. I'm done with my makeup look. I'll just go and change and come with my complete look so that you can see how I'm looking for my Navratri. So this is my final look for Navratri. I am loving it. It's so pretty. And I hope this inspires you for your Navratri look. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Select by Pink Villa. And have a great Navratri. Bye.